Now that you've created your class, all that's left to do is invite your students. Let's learn how. Like always, just log in into your teacher account on Edpuzzle. Once you're in, click on My Classes in the top menu bar. Choose the class from the left side menu that you'd like to invite students to. Click on the Students tab, where you'll see your class code as well as an Invite Students button. Go ahead and click on it. In the pop-up window, you'll see your class code, a link you can share with your students, and an option to invite them via email. On your student's side, if it's the first time they're logging in, the first thing they'll be asked to do is enter a class code. If they already have an account, all they need to do is log into Edpuzzle and scroll down to find the Join a Class button at the bottom of the left side menu. They'll be asked to enter your class code, find a class, and join the class. And that's it. Once they've joined your class, they'll be able to see the assignments that are due, the ones that are coming up, and the ones they've already completed. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel to learn how to create assignments, send your students your assignment links, and more.